Creamy, tangy, sweet, and sharp when fruit meets cheese, it's not just a snack, it's an art form. Let's explore the tastiest, healthiest, and most unexpected pairings. Hey flavor lovers! Welcome back to the channel where science meets good taste. Today I'm talking about fruit and cheese pairings, a surprisingly nutritious combo that satisfies both your palate and your body. Why does this pairing work so well? It's all about contrast. Fruit brings sweetness, acidity, and freshness, while cheese adds creaminess, salt, and umami. Together, a match made in culinary heaven. First up, grapes and brie. Brie's creamy texture pairs perfectly with the juicy burst of red or green grapes. The fat in the cheese balances the sweetness and tartness in the grapes. Bonus grapes bring antioxidants, and brie offers calcium and protein. Next, strawberries and goat cheese. The tangy, earthy flavor of goat cheese complements the bright, sweet acidity of strawberries. Add cracked pepper and balsamic drizzle for a gourmet snack that supports heart health and gut wellness. Craving something bold? Try pineapple and aged cheddar. Aged cheddar is sharp, salty, and crumbly. Pineapple adds tropical acidity and sweetness, cutting through the richness. It's a flavor explosion, and pineapple's bromelain aids digestion. For a classic pair with blue cheese. The grainy, juicy pear soothes the intensity of blue cheese. It's elegant, rich, and packed with fiber and beneficial molds that aid digestion. Want something summery? Peach slices with creamy burrata. Add basil and olive oil for a savory sweet salad that hydrates your skin, provides healthy fats, and boosts vitamin C. And yes, avocado counts. Creamy avocado and crumbly feta make a dream team, perfect in wraps or on toast. The healthy fats and probiotics support brain health and digestion. These pairings don't just taste good, they combine fiber, protein, healthy fats, probiotics, and antioxidants in a balanced, satisfying way. Moderation is key, but this is snacking done smart. From soft cheeses to bold blues and juicy fruits to tropical bites, fruit and cheese pairings are a gourmet way to enjoy nutrients and flavor. Experiment and elevate your snacking game. Which combo is your favorite? Or do you have a wild pairing I should try? Drop it in the comments. Like this video if you're hungry already, and subscribe for more foodie facts and healthy hacks every week. Stay cheesy, stay curious. See you next time.